Authorized to
Gehört in dieser Hochfahrt?
to Stuttgart. EasyJet and the entire crew.
Weil ich leider noch Touristen verstauen
All of our guests on board will close doors and we're ready for the flight tonight around 1 hour later on. Once we finish our first flight, my colleague and the flight our co-pilot, Mr. Daniel, will
Das würde jetzt noch viel länger dauern.
we wish to some more details about the flight. So far, thank you for attention and have a nice day on board.
Tut mir leid, wir wissen leider auch immer nicht, wie viel.
Field, mask will drop from above you. Pull a mask over you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with a strap. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. If we land on water, take your life jacket from under your seat. Remove from the pouch and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. Put the strap to adjust. Do not inflate it inside the aircraft when outside. Inflate it by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into this tube. There is a light and a whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist you with life jackets for ship training. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open and seatbelt fastened. Further information regarding your safety on board can be found in the in-flight magazine. We hope you have a great flight.
Personal jederzeit für zur Verfügung.
Stuttgart, the camera center speaking, just for few information about the flight route.
make sure you're halfway through, and most importantly for you, I guess, is arrival time will be at least on schedule, if not earlier, to 10 o'clock and 25 or 30 minutes.
Welcome to Stuttgart. Please remain in your seat with the seatbelt securely fastened until the signs have been switched off. Please be very careful when opening the overhead lockers in case anything could fall out, and also make a final check before you leave out this evening so you don't forget anything on board. Smoking is also not permitted until you reach the designated smoking area. We would like to thank you for choosing EasyJet for your flight. We hope that you had a good flight with us and would like to see you again in the near future. Thank you and good evening. Liebe Fluggäste, herzlich willkommen hier in Stuttgart. Bitte bleiben Sie noch so lange angeschnallt sind, bis die Maschine ihren gültigen Fahrplätze erreicht hat und der Kapitän die Anschnallschaltung über Ihnen ausschaltet. Seien Sie bitte vorsichtig bei offenen und oberen Gepäckablauf, vergewissern Sie sich, dass Sie nicht am Bord vergessen. Das Rauchen ist weiterhin nicht gestattet, bis in eine gekennzeichnete Raucherbereich gelangt. Wir hoffen, Sie hatten einen angenehmen Flug und bedanken uns dafür, dass Sie heute unsere Gäste waren.